Attention agents, two of the most important factors in sales conversion are what you say and how you say it. Stay tuned for some tips to brush up on your scripts and dialogues. We've all heard the saying, practice makes perfect, but are you practicing on the public? I'm Kayla Montgomery, sales manager with the Reynolds Team at Compass. One of the things we do in our office every morning is roleplay. All right, get your mind out of the gutter. We roleplay our real estate scripts and dialogues. Lead source scripts like expired withdrawn, FSBO, online leads, and dialogues like price reductions, getting a buyer to make the best offer first, and more. We also practice objection handling. Have you ever had a buyer or seller throw you a curveball and you weren't sure what to say? We can prepare for that. Here are a few tips when role-playing. 1. Pick one script to master at a time. Read the script aloud, write it out, and record yourself saying it. These techniques will help you commit it to memory. 2. Be enthusiastic. Smile and get your energy up. This is a habit that you want to carry over into your calls. 3. Use positive role-play manners. Always allow the agent to set the appointment. 4. Give constructive criticism to the agent on what they could have asked or said differently. And lastly, number 5, keep it short and sweet. Skip the pleasantries and personal catch-up. Each role play should only last about 20 minutes, and each person should have the chance to be agent and improve their skills. Now, how can you find a role play partner? Our team role plays every morning in our conference room. If your team or company doesn't do this, ask a fellow agent if they would like to start role-playing briefly in the mornings or at least one day a week. You can also connect with an agent in another market. This is a great way to create a referral partner. If all else fails, come join us each morning at 9 a.m. in our office on the corner of 17th Street and A1A. Hope to see you soon. Just put the B-roll over the parts where I messed up all the time.
Of course.